Today's video, I will show you guys how to fix Paramount Plus showing error 3304. Now, this is a very common issue. So I've pulled up a website that shows why this error occurs. So here you can see that Paramount error code 3340 means that the intermediate connection, that means the app is not able to connect to the server. So this can be due to your internet connection issue, or the server of Paramount Plus is down. So be sure to check that Paramount Plus service is on with your internet is also working. So another reason can be that your browser is outdated. So be sure to update your browser too. Another reason can be that using of ad block technology. So browsers sometimes use ad blocking technologies to block ads and unnecessary third-party applications. So that might be the reason of Paramount Plus not working. So, and another last reason is that corrupted files. These prevent the streaming services from operating normally. So make sure that all of these reasons are solved in your computer or in your phone, and make sure that you have updated your browser and that your internet connection is working properly. So this should fix the problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.